Right, Yenina Yan Trum no Yan come for an pay. Yesu Christo Goto, or so Chedium Punyangu Pongoto. And I said that Yan Trum and come for El Comano, I'll pay. Toma Kayaho, one way and phone so near Maratus in the and also Tim Comua. Ekayinan is a thanks, origin to be our maker. The dear Pajamo Ebi Papa, thanks and adoration. Be on to make up this morning. Papa. Every day, every time, every moment. It's a fast. And one way and phone so near me. Many other plans the devil plotted against us, but then you never know. Oh, hey, mobile. I don't pay. Young fan, I said the money, young fan, you Simano Edunum, and me and some of the Panosia. So this morning, let's come together. Let's praise his name and say hallelujah be unto his name this morning. Baby Papa. I am not official American Chekrobi Asante. I've been saying every blessed day, I'm not doing it alone. It's my able producer this morning. Tell the whole call me a brandy. Saman Saboy. I'm in a final so go 4 p.m. Depena Edna and a woman king Yamike Chekrobi. Stay with us, stay with us. Never flick the dial. A new command of pay. And then see a Benada. It's a new day, it's a blessed one for us. It's a pay, it's a some mommy, sir. And Jebia, we are more such a the baby. Now, after sports, they are Jim no pay stories in the Hujumadia. And they have been a day. They bet him come out now. Patem send an embassy home. Made the home come out of pay. Hallelujah. I'll pay Metinka. Elmimu. And come meet you as a Oko Dubia. A no size information center. And there will be a gumu. I was a lally. And so bring Toko. Jehovah Nisi, our Pecheche PKK. Sound soon a Koto Crossport. Sister Joyce Ubutun Chewa, Obeura, Obo Jumade, Pepamentia, no constant Kosukra. And then to you, my chama, right up see the also hospital, and also control fashion, and Bolu of beef fashion. Also, no mamma, no permit. I'll open command Dasson. Yenny me been from no Coba Pep. You better translate the Ashanti Cocoa Farmers welcome new Cocoa bill. Back key reforms. I don't come on pay the half. I don't copy more Ashanti man Temuba Hanuma. If you have 4 Mudo Cocoa in a day, almost say Ghana, Mum Penny, John Drummond Mahami. A Cocoa Bona, and you come Rashiba Duma. Yes, I say no. Dajana Sansi. You get Tumpa. Sansa Day, I will be a cocoa, no bonus. Or China or Hinibi. And now Abusha Penny be or fight you say Bushan Sassy. No Marco Ton, the Ama Yagalam say for near 2 cocoa in Ebu. But I wabre by day for what for in an Ayaka. I didn't tell you back a pa. I don't come out of pay at the high to be a more of education and some part of pay. That's some good to cry. The young trust son of a young fan commodity from Mawa. So I will not be available. Godfrey Dame reject vacation healing in Hanan trial. Now, I guess the bush milk. Judicial vacation, the Minoka say. Oh, March now. I'm a lawyer, Penos, one. Before I said, nay, I guess a court to the minimum more Marco. That trials minimum on my trust. We had them club vacation, Moon Camp. And don't come on, Minoka say. A Godfrey Dammy, some are working and it's already baby when the vacation will be coming. And in the Hanan, the trial, oh, and you're available, we had the crowd. We do the Hanan, we have cross examination on one of the I don't come on pay. And so at the Hamadan, my DB air more for the case. So, yes, every corner, any Mr. David or Hinny Santa Crab. I think come on pay. Yakoba pay.
We are going to
sports betwe momo na yaje brenda mene obena mo fasa trust be.
We are going to praise Jesus.
Na ye de bon krata na poso na stories ahodo aka yam fam bro no.
Just like this.
Yeah there bro. Eno achi na your ballroom na Tuesday edition of Ahwenepa morning show dive down the chemu nsem yet to me Eddie Abrantiam quickly na ye ne Mr. David Ohene Mensa Atakra Eddie Nkomano pe na ye hwe ene Tuesday anopai awie na nwumra sunsu beto awie bebo sen edi wie mu sachire no besi aye
menu ya ka kire krobia sante anopai medawase amefa enchia nkoma wo ene wono mo ka ho e wo studio saa so na obi biara anopai na fidie eda Ahwenepa FM na otie wo ene aye Tuesday de toso edu nwotwe wo bosome nwotwe emu mfiempim yenu ene eduonu nsia mu no de nchia be kwama ono so ebi ebre na so se ena no page no yema morning weather report sana weather esitie bremu kosi se ade besa sana weather besi ayo afa eno na edro so se ka ho asem ekere no ena report no era Rebecca Bediakon ena ne sasha assessor duty forecaster report yi efie ndwuma ko hwewie mu nsem so Ghana Meteorological Agency yewo ho anopei wo yen mantem ha santemam ha ene se yefa miaye bi a womo ewo bebia kwaye ene mepo wo na ebo kakra ewo wiem ahamache no eba anopei na wo yen mantem ha mekyere asantemam ha anopei no yehwe temperature ejina between 23 to 24 na kyerɛ sɛ awo ayemo yɛden eni ho saa so na wiemu nya shape ye ho ne ho ema ye enano pay na the entire country so minimum temperature ejira 22 na maximum ejira 25 ye ba ye mpeso so ha ye asante achem enkrefa ye so ye temperature ejira between 23 to 24 sa na anopa we so no ye hwe February am no kase ekoya wo yen mantem ha santemam ha no ye hwɛ mu sɛ rade bɛyɛ adom obɛti wiem abɔ awia kakra ama yɛn enya hanko wɔ anafɔ fam enso no ye hwɛ sɛ miaye dodo na no awia kakra bɛbɔ ama yɛn nemom yɛn wɔ anafɔ fam ha no yɛnya kra weather throughout awia bɔ kakra wiem bɛdane ama wiem ayɛ kusu kakra na yɛfa etifi fam northern sector hɔfo na ye hwɛ sɛ ɔmo de don hwensen yɛ di anwe no awia no bɛyi ti abɔ ama wiem ate kakra ama wɔn anoti ena minimum temperature bejira 28 na maximum ejira 32 yempeso aso de bejira 29 degree Celsius yehwa miaya fofra ka wo anafo fam ha saa na yeso yehwɛ mu se anafo fam ha no awia kakra be fam ama yen na ene day so no eposo enda ho the state of the sea rough ni nyina echi no yehwɛ don hwensia ye die ne mu ya nsuo nsɛm no hyɛ dan nyira ne na so saa na yehwɛ bosome ngotwe mu nso a nsuo ne tɔ na sesa wɔ me ayɛ pii wɔ atifi fam ne anafo fam nsuo no antɔ bebre ama yɛ sɛ na bosome nsia mu tɔyɛ no bosome ngotwe ɛkɔ enkron mu no yɛda so wɔ major season mu na efi enkron mu ɛkɔ na yɛwura minor season mu yɛ akyesɛ nsuo ɛtɔto ato aso no ɛtɔ ebitwa ma ɛwɔ mu ana enya nsuo baako ɛno te sɛ wo yokuani na wo mpeso aso ha opese odua no baa bia niam mienu na abeye didi kan ne so betai monitor radio station Ahwenepa FM na wanya weather update ye toso mienu ene se wetimi akọ agric office no akohu akrachefo na wo ho no akire omo no baa poti apese odua ombetimi no akọ wafum ana wasase ne so akọye survey no ma kire se bebia apese odua de no pere mu no eye anase enye omo wakwankyerefo pii ye ombetimi ama wakwankyere na wahu aduaba a odua wo baabi ene brebi a ebetumi ayeye ama wo no ti menua ka kire megina we so e de na report na si adawase da foforo rade ya adom a ye besan ahyiam biom.
Okay, right, no Mr. David Ohene Mensa Atakra na ene no 18 komano pay na yamfa sara ne bi mfa ema ye Asante Achem Community Bank PLC o madam no mo so ya sen kofa weather update no de ebrewo ye sorry so ye koba pebeje brenda omudwumadi omudi omaso ye yagebre na ye di ho nkomo e di amount eni tibrem ye betwe ho na sports crew number na afterwards e besa transfer bi na yetumi edi dobon krata na poso atumi edi abromede ne ketche krobia Asante ye basisia.
Sports.
And a parents of Marson said, "I good evening, some ebro morning show you so ahene pa 95.5 FM." So and some pin at San paying a rebels monas what me from the world of sports, local news or sounds like foreign news norm, and was your bob one with bra at San paying a rebels amadiama etmiako ediama transfers. A gusu air cost 1 and Chennai transfers air close baby friends Europe. Yamia the Mobagan house war week yano a bit me out to move ama teams no. We also to prepare ahead of the next season and no aid if we buy them out and the coaches know after players nibi and after and some P and I would moon some about a player the day some more in a part 95.5 FM so now so send them to River Champions League games and a channel for near that's one conference now for Europe and so better us no be as at me come fixtures in and that's not see the bremo now most smart me send them at one Sanita yeka edi achen fast da emadwuma kwa no poma so asna mede brewa ma men kan chose ne Roma eye dwuma kwa friend say ye asumdwe ventures men kan chose ne o pekata isa de bia basanso no na Roma ne forza e ba center so dia ba eno e bambam he ba ma duro na ba dwama so a eboa ama sabe wona me bia no asiet me tu ama ne ma atumi akwa kama ene ya de bia tu su bia no eye wona me ya nkwa de woduro no eye duro friend say bambam ba no so eboa ema sabi bema oba wakwa adwuma bre na honam yo oposo jonku usisi ene yo ya opa na yo ya ni nyina no dwudwi de sasa so a ko ama so no atumi ato ama ne ma atiakwa kama eno de fi oba ya de bi ma adwade nso yen kan cho se obi aton de bi akwa benya bi ato na de ko di dwuma ne ma atumi aye kama de amawa sanete the new best man caps so obodwama so mema sabi mo ko stene na mo so mo bra mu ntimi mo dwon pom no unya bi na so no ma tu ana patro bi tu anwumre no beboa ama so mema no atumi ne di ama man so atumi adwo na bi atiam kama ntene wo bo bi mu kasa na afa no ate azema pedo ni bi na fe first usisi na ekosia match no body nkunim ama ne ma atumi kama oba no bete da ma be ma so atumi atede na bibia akọ unya bi to a se na be kan unya tu anopa no abo tu awia no abo tu anwa no abo na enioma atumi akọ kama nso de fu ba e de emo admenu Skynet satellite e ba e de decoders na bro enche na season e chase e de Ghana Premier League ni mahu so mbeyi o TV so ntu pesunya be hwi akopɛ decoder ni bitom na enioma entumi enko kama efon sanso no e na men kan cho se nei open multi TV ubenya bi open DSTV ubenya bi open the friends Canal Plus afa ye Star Times nya no ubenya be friends ye Scanner Cell na de dijuma na enioma atinya kwa kama obesu tu our bills eye decoders na bills na open Star Times de tu ya DSTV ye nyina no de otifie na from number na fe no we komo rosa news kama na fe recharge ma ozu atinya he e bra onza Africa enko konongo a eno so de fi oba ye di bi em adwode so men kan cho open se gbo TV LMBD connectors nyan cable super bia o ma bia to na ma atinya kama konongo mbutu opsit commercial bank na so na ko master kweko na afia kwaje udi coders na ya kwedi juma udi na nioma etiango kama come ni atase na pay yede agude mu ensam ebro American chow se uroma kwa chef ne odi boutique esmin kan chow se ntade na bedwama so ope biato made mema de occasion bia no ho atade ho ubenya bedress afri so akosi form ama so amanfo agye di so ba kroma na bia so kwaje ntade no kwa chef ne odi boutique nei Mema de no ye their friends shirts afi ye their friends ye suit ahodo e ho mpabo ho afi o singlet boxes ni nyina benya bikaki jeans ni nyina no ebi o ho benya biato na eniema atumi akokama kama afi ma de no straight dress or tops and downs ho afi dinner wears the console sorry afi cardigans ahodo ni nyina no ye de bi aba e de ama run neck v-neck ni nyina na bi aba nkwada de mpabo school bags afi traveling bags ni nyina no e be friends kwanche for no boutique akọ na kwado ntade mpabo on necklaces watches na afi their friends yeah bags out on afia kwantu no etimi tunu niema ntimi ko informa wa omo odwa so ba bia Jupiter guest house won nanim wa bosana ho na nase no mo ko abenya biato upe bia tumba koton afofofo pa no age na niema etimi kama omo so kamini atansa no pai ye de agore mu nsem bro wa ba bia friends asachim asante achim community bank plc eno be sika current account omo be savings account overdraft nya no omo be susuwa wa omo be honum masabi sabi pesu sie sika ende fako maso na fizika samtutu bia no nyama na enioma entimi ko entinei sawo pesu nya sika bo branko ade ba bia so do hoko e join na enioma timi ko ye no e bia friends asante achim community bank plc o meboa ama sabi sika samtutu nyina no atimi agina brane a odwa so o mo kono odumase Oman Hill Afon Kwanta, Onya be homo, Johnson headquarters no kona go homo, na physical training no munye na enema entimi ko informa no paya, eno e de for bedman tien ko e man na fe informa 7 emro na enema entimi enko informa hwene pa 95.5 FM zo.
I mean the passports. Yeah, I mean the passports.
Yes, I'm saying name UEFA Champions League games so honoma say and officials until about 7 p.m. To my friends at Dynamo Zagreb from Croatia, Vikings from Norway, Obeka World Cup na Brana my friends in Norway for the buy no go biana on a some game we no winia no the Vikings celebrations and nay team their friends at Viking and able to my friends at Zagreb honoma and no game so Croatia afi Fenerbahce from Turkey Olympic Lyon and also at 7 p.m. and also so afi Levski Sofia Bulgaria no AEK Athens from Greece are really 3 games and so Champions League medimun zamema na so Mateo honoma is a name my friends say Tottenham report about say a player our friends say Savino from Manchester City Eddie fee bears around 100 million euros and a bit me for no and free my friends say City and nay plan buy City no out of 36 appearance of Eki or say just 4 goals no and I Tottenham for 7 enjoy my home since come no for no 100 million euros and nay transfer market in the way no a crazy world a crazy market because we TSK to players be any more players need bonus sika dey for mamaza and then I know dinye pana Savino for 100 million euro fee and no Tottenham Co City no sikom dey kono no and so report if we buy the man and room transfer so na Coventry City for no we friends of Frank James Lampard ni team Calabi Intimo and after Thomas Banana Santimu team no and there some play friends of Michael Mudryk from Chelsea on loan and also the free body be Montenay. Oh, say time on that play friends a year Mikel Mudryk can suspending and the reference Lampard no. The man was so coaching the Pantine coach no. As when your team nas or Kodia. And they play friends of Mudryk no. Obesan so here no. A team of friends of Coventry in player no. Also a room. No so could say can make friends say you come to on loan and then Mikel Mudryk after suspension no. The free body be more guardians no so room. Lazio Boko no Italy abo room Turkey for player our friends say Mario Icardi is a plan name obesa like those answer returning back and their best you earn from Inter Milan or and they say report about just in Lazio for no so here player friends say Mario Icardi so some man for me say kind and for more man also report if we bar ya be more medals na come to say no Sunday train in the course so be a friend say England as I game ko we no net my friends say Arsenal Ache City abone kaba ko me ensan so antimi na Roma who say competition for the past 28 and I said 25 times abono emu eba kuma ko 25 there 28 na 25 no being won by a team so many top 6 traditional top 6 now the likes of Chelsea, Manchester United, Manchester City, Arsenal, after team friends Liverpool na Tottenham no Omajima Akuma 25 and the only two teams almost Rome RGB no team friends Leicester City and after Crystal Palace the last 27 games aboni na competition no top 6 for Najima Akuma 25 and a 2 eso Aparom Ashoma Leicester the Bakuna for Palace eso je Bakua and no report if you about and be more about their friends competition name we were friends Luis Enrique na weekends and also trophies the champions no and also Lens no Ebon Kabakwa PS Moboko Antumi Antino we no e be say na game no he now say be a Lens for no ye big ye better mo superior on the pitch of play no departments ni na on the pitch of play no na omo better RC Lenza and no go to friends say Luis Enrique no we or say goalkeeping department the goalkeeper no super Lens for goalkeeper after defense no Hakimi mom after Paco mom any Mendes one adwuma Lens for no confirm Mezai Emery mom and after player friends Vitinha mo no maka no ebo so attack no and so no super na mom no ade no Vana for Pedro no NDM who say na PS for the super over team friends Lenza and your coach friends Luis Enrique no on some there to dry be more audience no FC Porto for no you see a player your friends Santi Jimenez on also a player na Porto for na Roma with team friends AC Milan for Santi Jimenez so benya no also be more be friends Portugal na for nay obese can team friends FC Porto report about say Porto for kwani player no agree on personal terms so meet my friends Milan for be we na for player friends Santi Jimenez no awram na friends be see akan e dey FC Porto and so report if you buy e be man na so ma for ewie there for player friends Rodrigo Moura no and from FC Porto or normal signing no player friends Rodrigo Moura a 25 million fixed fee 50% sell on cross on the same name say player friends Moura no if you my friends say so ma na so quoting for Porto for no about 50% sell on cross and so report if you buy Edimenti Roma any player na bia by ene obekwa kwa medical science no so sign contract Edema Roma na Moura Aberoma player and so the full bed na Abba SC ene o confirm the signing of player friends Michi Batshuayi player we no be nam Chelsea amfa na money bono na form and no Osia Kama Frankfurt report about no e just say after so free Frankfurt in the Abba SC almost any preference Batshuayi and so report if you about yedi bi na komofo no omo Chelsea omba ya omo be kind of preferences Trevor Chalobah de ne ko omo sa the letter by fie e Chelsea aso so be player and am player be no kumu and as a preference ye Liam Delap komofo so mpeno and a Chelsea versus omo pena player den kan e bo ne 40 million euros ye ton no na mum so we bought for loan option there 10 million euros Monfa Emra na fi on loan me for preference Liam Delap emfa no kona komo 40 ye no o so na Chelsea for say and the preference Moises Kean or home ko so menya Moises Kean e na be see aka na mo nei sa dey na on buy for preference Liam Delap no loan fee of 10 million in the komo for na so mo ko ago preference Moises Kean and so put the fuel bar ye di bi man Manchester for say nei preference Manu Kone obeka ya World Cup no France national team no dem free esi aka de mo wa ono any orange man nebo DM no and esi player no Manchester for eso ni ginachi eye so mo person e na yes Manchester for be dey 45 million euros nemum Roma funds on 55 million euro difference no and there's some fixings and they no let's go to the Manchester for 8-15 their player friends Manu Kone be room Old Trafford for be see kind of Manchester and so report if you bar any be man sit deco and they are Juma FC Barcelona we try receive a fee around 100 million euros and my friends say Basa na fe Basa for no e dey come akata go be players and you see players obetu transfer obi an ni boni and the front tourist 50 million euros on the appear for the credit cover Ansu Fati 11 million euros after Geoffrey Torrens 6 million euros Inaki Pena 3 million euros Danny Rodriguez 1.5 million euros and after Jan Virgili also 4.8 million euros as o kan nyaboma o betanya 100 million euros na for players no o so tia ko fabi diaba and so the for Brazil player we say Mark Casado after Hector Ford Guli Fernandez na for Tony Fernandez munya no mina betimi afi e dia kwa no basa team no adwuma de ko ed moma e de report e ma no enei o real friend say Harry Maguire was he coach a friend say Ruben Amorim no masa onimajuma was Amorim eti adwuma na say coach adwuma no onimye na emom no Manchester no enema na answer down from Manchester na bia na enema big etin reference emom no reference say Ruben Amorim at AC Milan no be succeed because adwuma no onimse ne so no a great manager a fantastic coach and you reference say Harry Maguire no also Mr. Dongo nisma di tudwa about the former coach Amorim and also di bi more weddings na PSG for no yes French League no entimi say Jesse wo 2 stars e ka 2 stars who say o ma the Champions League makuma mienu o ma the Champions makuma mienu tnei yes enya de yes team friends PSG for no o betimi ase sa Jesse no and say Jesse 2 stars ewo mu ewo be o ma so ya and also report if we ba e di mention o betimi ase Jesse no na mum o ntimi se Jesse 2 stars na mum o betimi se 1 star no na bibia etimi kama ene PSG for no na fe French Ligue no dey feel ba e di bi ma den so ama bibia akọ kama moment so na fe me kuma ni e so ni mu ene report ba no e just say Premier League opening games no and the officials on be no top 6 no e don dey banti ne uroma na me my weekend see na sha see Arsenal and opening game o dey ma Premier League go some na champions and the referee bedi Arsenal and after Coventry City game no referee friend say Thomas Bromell or no bedi first game Premier League new this season Arsenal Emirates no on both team friends say Coventry City Arteta against Lampard and Thomas Bromell or no bedi after ko Old Trafford and I say Old Trafford that be game with Manchester rather yes Hull City both team friends say Manchester United and so referee our friends said Darren England on the bedi side game no and then Manchester and Hull City no Liverpool Old Trafford no Liverpool for so away go to Newcastle home St James Newcastle away home to team friends Liverpool referee bedi no Stuart Atwell the bedi side game no again Liverpool na for Newcastle and so they feel by the be more after Brentford home and so Brentford bought the bees almost bought Tottenham Hotspur and also first game also Brentford home also team referee bedi no World Cup referee Michael Oliver no this game no and them Brentford na for Tottenham and so report a few bar and be more Manchester City Bobby friends say it's here no almost both my friends say FC Bournemouth Gerard Gillett on the bedi as referee for that game between Man City and Bournemouth na Gerard Gillett ne bedi na for Mondays no okwa Bobby friends say Craven Cottage Fulham Boko no Elbow Chelsea and no as referee friends said John Brooks on the bedi side game now and Premier League referees no for first games no they near to get them honor and so report a few about and even say reference Niklas Füllkrug formerly of West Ham no and they were room over be a friend say Werder Bremen no Germany also a German international by England they be see and they are then for the player friends say Niklas Füllkrug no or go back to Germany I go see a kind and Werder Bremen now and also they feel about be Emma Gordon's name yes at the end loan do na kobo no option to buy until we are so on tom person obesa mo na chia and then so report if event name obe medical so dem Werder Bremen na for team say ni ma be go to na for no so sign here and so report if you about be more Gordon's na transfer no so yes World Cup na course no ref come who say referees need to wake up na omo bobo cameras from home nti ade si kwanes we hu a camera no etimi edron attention for nso akwa hwe game ne course na hu say referee cameras no na game course between Argentina and now for my friend say Spain World Cup finals no and I see referee friend Slavko Vincic game ne course no and a camera on capture and say all catcher Messi on control player friend say Leandro Paredes because now Paredes educate the yellow card just say all catcher Messi say Messi control Paredes he has a yellow card control please always send a bear plan and sign could use one red card in Tiadia no you see referee friend say Slavko Vincic no no support Argentina so make me a pick a World Cup name no and then for on referee the game no Smikache player so on can change the another player so on to no bunyasa very red card and no referee friends Slavko Vincic no also the few bar edim na say ko FIFA chief operating officer nyamika chire FIFA no ono so na say enem panfo awon kunsa e friend say Kevin Lamo no and as FIFA for no pamono say ono aga say tie reference Gianni Infantino intinei FIFA for the rules about Adrian Omiyan simple say FIFA can confirm that the working relationship between FIFA and Kevin Lamo as FIFA's chief operating officer has ended on 17th of August and FIFA thanks Kevin for his 2 years of service and wishes him the best of luck for the future. No further comment will be made on the matter. Simple one can be abused. Don't buy and say no pump no. It's answer nay. Report a bunch of so a cassette your reference Infantino and new FIFA a chief operating officer Nyamika no on also the idea mom old so sana ne uro be friends Senegal ya sick ura a friend say yeah Patrick Vieira no appointing as head coach and also a year nay be my coach for the next 4 years no we reference Patrick Vieira and the coach and the man is Senegal national team salary no 35,000 euros equals 45,000 euros between I hope I been obedient and then the target no and it's already 2027 AFCON final and if qualify for a year 2030 World Cup then no a reference a year Patrick Vieira no the Senegal for them and so they more join us reference say Pedro Neto no say Ahila for around 100 million euros Chelsea for their tour so per far into the Hela for no from Saudi Pro League need come for preference Pedro Neto so menya no so be say kind of my friend say Ahila and so report a few bar yedi bi Emma honum na come for no say Moises King there no go so 25 million euros plus 5 months add-ons and also the few okay loan fee no 5 million so person 25 on be charge for 10 Moises King no need any 5 and so the few Eddie Messi Ukobasa and the player friend say Femi Lopez no or the 16th set jersey no and the player friend say Roddy Cascante yes was so say ampa senior player but name Jesse no the man and I go for Jesse number 7 and the player friend say Femi Lopez no also the wait me Obasa and they might do so honoma Mikel Arteta sin Bruno Guimaraes no or a ball of energy or a player or unbelievable desire so be winning today or ben when you first trophy their friends come just so the can no Bruno Guimaraes now ready to compete send a be as na for no e betime for adumo na enema come Ballon d'Or no e say Hurricane a chances no e was no bisa no and also no very proud say nay also etime do that individual pointer obetime nya sa wo nemum no the bibia e onyango point 7 the beba bia no ono so be so ntimi nyi oni nyina no ono Hurricane so ma and so dey feel bedman Alonso and also Chelsea go for new set piece coach we reference say Austin no say Austin no anyo bi answer wo ya also pay improvement oba na bi ho na mum no o the record of oye owura friend say Austin o dey ba Chelsea na team say ade no obetu adwuma no simple dey Manchester dey nkum znei ono dey njo go for Austin by say no pay improvement e wo dey ba last season this one oba sampa say adwuma and so put a few bed no reference say Bruno Fernandes no yes Manchester for say you're not for sale sika bia do bia no masa MPK former it munya no so see aka for Manchester and so reference say Bruno Fernandes no dey feel ba edi na nai yes Urema Rodi see ono very happy so no Urema Basa teammate nya twa no ntinei at Basa no onko di agro okobo modem Basa woboko no yes what me fra dumu akwadumu a o say a dream come true. So after so many Champions League win no on the pay onya nti Barca no person obo na afenima etimi kama and so report the few bed say yes team friends Liverpool for an April 2 plus from PSG Bradley Bakola and after Ibrahim Mbaye omenu no yes betimi akoso mbesa 200 million euros and no sika Liverpool for sell 2 players now yɛde ɛma adwumadi nso na basafoɔ no yɛsɛ captaincy no ɛne ɔma na mu first captain no ɛyɛ player friend sɛ Rafinha to ne basafoɔ no ɛne mu team captain Rafinha ɛyɛ Cantara ɔno deɛ no afei second captain no ɛyɛ Frankie de Jong, third captain no ɛyɛ Pedri, fourth ɛyɛ Gavin, afei fifth no ɛyɛ Eric Garcia. Basa captaincy no sɛ na atena ne ti a ɛno nso yɛde ma Alonso ɛna ɔsɛ ɔno no ma obi expect sɛ nneɛma bɛkɔ cheap so bɛba bɛka kyerɛ so Chelsea bɛsɛ 100 goals in the season no ɔsɛ ɔno ɔmɛka saa deɛ ɛmfa nkyerɛ da biara da ne nya sɛ Chelsea foɔ no ɔntumi practice na mmom no deɛ ɔbɛtumi aka nso ɔbɔ mmɔden biara na season bɛwura mu no ɔmatumi yɛ success na nneɛma atumi yɛ kan na bisa no no ɛsi player friend sɛ Kopɔ ma na afei Morgan Rogers ansa ɔmɛnya abɔ number 10 o ɔsɛ ane ɔmɛnya obiara bɛtumi abɔ 10 obiara bɛtumi abɔ 8 it depend on ɔno so bɛbɔ baako 10 bɔ baako 8 so ɔmɛnya nyinaa on the same pitch of player ɛne owura friends Alonso nsɛm ɔde ato dwa about Chelsea players mmienu Kopɔ ma na afei Morgan Rogers a ɛno so yɛde ma adwuma de nsinti ho yɛmfa ma ho nsɛm no nsi na afei yɛmmra fie na afei ɛyɛ afisɛm a kakra no pɛn sa aka no yɛntumi fa nto dwa na nneɛma ɛntumi ɛnkɔ yi ɛmfa ɛma nti abusapani bɔkɔdeɛ da nyame ase nti afisɛm no yɛmfa akrama atifo
95.5 FM so ne abusua yɛnhyɛ aseɛ kakra yɛabɔbɔa no ɛmfirifiri anɔpa yi na yɛmfa nsɛm no bi ɛnto dwa ɛma yɛtiefo ɛwɔ dwumadie so deɛ berɛ a yɛde asi ɛwɔ amanɔne ɛnsɛm no mu na ɛsɛ yɛwura mu kakra ɛnso ɛwɔ fie ne ahwɛ nsɛm ahodoɔ a ɛno nso ɛba na ɛnora ɛna de to dwa ɛde ma sɛ wowura mu ɛwɔ Kumasi Asante Kɔtɔkɔ ɔno sɛ krɔbea ɛwɔ nkran ɔmo nso no ɛyɛ preparation dendenden a ɛnyɛ asam ketewa koraa ɛwɔ ɛhɔ na ɛnora ɛbɛtɔ dwa ne discuss sɛ deɛ Kɔtɔkɔ players ne nyinaa bi a wɔbɛyɛ TikTok live anaasɛ wɔbɛpost biribi on TikTok social media ne so ne adeɛ a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔma mpanimfoɔ ɛyɛ aware sɛ dɛ wɔbɛtumi agye permission a mpanimfoɔ bɛhwɛ sɛ ampampa adeɛ a wɔpost no ɛmfa animguaseɛ ɛmfa ɔhaw biara ɛmmɛrɛ Kɔtɔkɔ team no na sɛ wo in particular ɛnam sɛ ɛnɛ deɛ image rights no biribiara no ɛhyɛ crowd biara nsa ɛsɛ ɔhwɛ na otumi toto nneɛma no biribiara ɛkɔ so ɛnso ɛde ma ɔman Ghana ɛno anasɛ de ma Kumasi Asante Kɔtɔkɔ ɛno ɛde ɛba ɛnyɛ ketewa koraa ɛwɔ hɔ anɔpa yi yɛde ɛma wo hyɛ no nso ma me sɛ ɛnɛ the Black Princesses mabaawa no wodum sɛ medɔm mfoni no ama menua kwasi ɔbɛyɛ ho adwuma wɔ Facebook no so anaasɛ ɛwɔ YouTube no so na biribiara nso ɛtumi ayɛ kama nti no ɛne wotwa ne ɛwɔ YouTube no so a wobɛhu sɛ ɛnyɛ easy koraa the Black Princesses are touching down ɛnso ɛwɔ Poland na wodum sɛ mabaawa no World Cup no ɛnso ɛba so dendenden ɛwɔ Poland a Ghana ɛnya qualification a ne more den paa ɛnti ne hwɛ mabaawa no a wei ɛnso 17 women squad a ɔmo ɛkɔ Poland ɔmo no technical team sɛ bɛyɛ ɔmo nso no ɛbɛtumi akɔ tutu nneɛma na 5th September competition no ɛnso ɛba bɛhyɛ ase na biribiara ɛwie yie ɛnso ɛde ama ɔman Ghana nti ne hwɛ sɛ de mabaawa no ɔmo afa ɔmo ho a ɔmo dress code ɛne sɛ deɛ ɔmo atmosphere anasɛ ɔmo appearance no ɛnso ɛsi ti ɛkyɛ sɛ ɛnibrɛ wɔ hɔ biribiara ɛde na kwan so kamakama mabaawa no ɛnso ayɛ krado sɛ kwan biara so ɔmo kɔ no ɔmo ɛkɔ akɔte Ghana anim nyaade a ɔmo kɔ akɔgu Ghana anim ase ɛwɔ bi man so Poland a yɛhwɛ ne mu sɛ nneɛma nyinaa ɛnso ɛbɛtumi akɔ so wei ɛyɛ U20 Women's World Cup a ɛno nso ɛba so dendenden nti yɛnwia no mmabaawa no deɛ ɛne berɛ so paa na ɔmode kɔ de 5th September 2020 to 27th September 2026 a ɛna competition no ɛno nso ɛba so dendenden a yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛnwia mmabaawa no nso no bɛkɔ na ɔmɛtumi akɔ kɔnkɔden na biribiara akɔ so ɔmo hyɛ preparation ase ɛnso ɛwɔ Ghana Man Soccer Center of Excellence prampram ɛhɔ ɛna ɔmo hyɛ training ase ɔmo atraining a ne ɔmo so akɔpiem ɛnso ɛwɔ Poland a ɔmo kɔ akɔtoa so till sɛ competition no bɛhyɛ aseɛ on the 5th na biribiara awie yie nti ɛne hwɛ sɛ de nkɔmmɔ no ɛnso ɛsi ɛkɔ a ɛne minister ɛne mpanimfoɔ ahodoɔ agya ɔmo kwan kamakama awɛhyɛm world sɛ ɔmo kɔ no ɔmo ɛnkɔyerɛ ɔmo sɛ de bɛyɛ a biribiara ɛnso ɛbɛtumi akɔ so ɛwɔ ɛhɔ nom yɛho sɛdeɛ ɛman anaasɛ mmabaawa no so no ɛmmɔ ne bɔ bɛtumi akɔ group C ɛna yɛwɔ yɛhwɛ sɛ biribiara bɛtumi akɔ so yɛne Ecuador ɛnso ɛwɔ group a yɛhwɛ sɛ biribiara ɛnso ɛbɛtumi akɔ so ɛde aman afei France nso no ɛwɔ hɔ bi a yɛhwɛ sɛ biribiara ɛbɛtumi akɔ yie ɛnso ɛde ama ɔman Ghana nti yɛhwɛ sɛ group C a yɛakɔda no nneɛma nyinaa bɛtumi akɔ so ɛnso ɛde ama mmabaawa no a ɔmakɔpie mu ɛwɔ bi ma so Poland a yɛde ho ɛnkɔbɔ anɔpa yi ɛto dwa ɛnso ɛde ama ɛwɔ hɔ nom na hyɛ no nsoma me sɛ wodum sɛ nkyɛ the Ghana Premier League no nso ɛba bɛhyɛ aseɛ na match day 1 ɛne approved venues a ahoto a mpanifo agye atuma yebesi akan ewo so nyina na no pay me de ba be ma na ho the Ghana Premier League and preparations are and also Bason Jabusan to join your YouTube no so who so far approved venues for 2026 2027 league na to them mpanifo enso no ehye hyenema enso enie na almost say Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium e Tamale omo agye atum se yebesi akan Karara mo yebesi akan e Tamale Accra Sports Stadium ya agye atum University of Ghana Sports Stadium e Legon ya agye atum Dance Park e bebie ni sanso in Sports Arena e Summer Boy TNA Sports Stadium ewo takwa na nafosu jiabo ewo bechem sanso na AAK the second Sports Arena enso ewo baseke sanso na Tuba Astroturf no so Golden City Park ewo brekum Baba Yara Sports Stadium ewo Kumase Kwando Sports Stadium na Boama Dakon the second park ewo Kukrantumi ehonso no bibia is a positive almost home eno na fe Linklane Sports Stadium so bibia edana kwem kama so oboa senso no 24 agya tuma yebesi akan bibia akoso enso ediama Ghana ewo hodo a ene ye the air by the Ghana Premier League the minimum yenwura mu ewo March day 1 on the 5th September 2026 Saturday March day 1 of the Ghana Premier League the Post City FC and FC Ashanti Code so no the airport ni tententi ayese bibia bekoso edama two clubs na hodomo afi House of Folk and Brekum Chelsea and so and the airport ni the BB United FC and Asante Kotoko and airport the BB airport and some ewofi Basake Holy Stars and Swedo All Blacks airport Sansana FC Samates 1996 and Kara United and airport Vision and Young Apostles Bechem United and Coast Stars Asia and afi Heart of Lions ne Duana Abo na afi Dreams and Mediema and some the Atatwa we the Ghana Premier League no March day 1 and the ho enkomo and some the ma no ne ka Ghana Premier League no some e dey acho no Yema Stars kakra no so e since 2000 omo magic Ghana Premier League no and the ho enkomo and some ever matter this time ye hwese the nema and some esitie e ho no mo na o hwese the nema si ekwa on 2000 no House of Folk etimeje 2001 House of Folk eje 2002 House of Folk AJ 203 Kumase Asante Kotoko 204 House of Folk SIB so mo na nya sam ketu akra wodomo 205 enso no Kumase Asante Kotoko and afenso no 206 House of Folk SABJ 207 208 no Asante Kotoko BJ 2829 House of Folk BJ Eduana Gen 209 enso wodomo na etwa so ma Brekum Chelsea bebe 2010 enso ebeji Asante Kotoko Ebejeno 2011 Asante Kotoko Saje 2012 Saje 2013 and afi Ash Gold Beji 2015 and here the announcement about Legon Citizens so 2016 Wamuremo Eduana FC 2017 almost by House of Folk 2020 2021 season you know House of Folk Beji Asante Kotoko 2021 almost ebesomo afi Mediema Beji 2022 and some Hodomo FC Samates 2023 and afi Coast Stars 2024 and now Mediema some Ababisomo 2025 year and some clubs and so far since 2001 Omaje the Ghana Premier League no and the ho encommon be atutwa no pay e wo twemedie so e de ama no yenko ensanfo from na fe yemfa nsem be enter to ema yeti for what the onu se clubs no wo mo egusum preparations ni ade and afa rumor signings out to almost ye ni na no mugidi se nema ensum ebetimi akonkan yi pa enso e de ama clubs na ye hwese bibia ebetimi atudwa ensum e wo hodomo na de tete se ene yehwa na constituency games ensum ebetimi atodwa na ho nsam ne ade nyina na nwumere ye bet chance na fede ncheche mo so aba constituency games ensum e ba betodwa se President Mahama onso ne so ade hunu pa se constituencies games awoto nso no ebetimi akokoso a no enkoma awoto ne bia no nsum e ba mampani the sports agenda no something e declare sa information we ensum aba ye de todwa edama ye tifo no pay enso e wo dwumade so nti ye hwene mu se ho nsam so ebetimi atodwa enso e wo hodomo na bibia wie yi e hodomo jeno enkomo kakra e pa no pay ye de e ma odum se Black Stars nso no e prepare September ni ade a qualifiers ni ade ego ye nima ye hwese bibia ebetimi akoyi enso edama Ghana hodomo obeka ye ne Gambia enso ebehia den se Gambia ne CAF inspection team na ko inspect stadium a omo hwese se de omo kosi akan Morocco ni Senegal biem omo stadium ne penfo enso etimi agya tuma enei omo ebetena fi na omo so etimi esi akan e hodomo ene ye ba antika CAF Accra Independence Stadium and also Ewo Gabon. Say no Afcon qualifiers no almost ebetimi agina mu na fe almost siakan enso ewo fia enom eyen kama hoto ni bia no pay and also by the 8th Ghanaian defender Abdul Mumin so no is set to join Spanish side Girona and no eyen kama hoto ni bia and also by ehwese bibia ebetimi akoso ewo no Sterling Menzo and some director of sports Edmar Asante Kodoko so akasa na ne common yin say oh Kodoko aya dear pal say Eric Tenkela almost Ekofanas coach on so emeboa was it where manager or coach we bibia and ojide say afidi e club ya and some ebetimi akode nim na bibia ewie and so Edema Kumasi Asante Kodoko no entie kakra and also eba ode atudwa yen so ye de ma e wo dwumade so yen firo na for yen concert from dia and era ake George free na okasa no say era ketokra gupa on there no ade so mo call era kusia jabe anim nyensem obeyi apiepie no o se 2026 ket referees o ma ball ma no a odom bedi Ghana Premier League no enya sam ketwa until so ya club wa no agina yi pa na de betu bia no na wa fa na sa no papa no ahead in the referees ni ade a woman so no baba bojuma etimi he de aboa ete no eyen komoni bia he no so ba tententi Ghana ye football more den o se no crepa de na se wi say hu eno eyen koma hodo no bia eno so pa tententi de etudwa de amao na Ghana's ambassador to Czech Republic ono so akwa shia ba one Black Princesses a the head of FIFA U20 Women's World Cup no o akoshia omo amam warm reception a ene ne manyina ekoso ho a yedi mu ncheche mo so ne ade Mounty Kwambia so no maba wa no betimi akonkode wakasa a kire mo se omanyiro mo ho se da ba bibia e betimi awie yi enso etimi ede ama maba wa na ho a ene ye de eba tententen a busia ye de ema enso ewo ehodom tin komo no de ya na edo so mano pa ye tete ho sa enso ede ema na oso ho se de nema no eko ewo ehodom.
Okay, nti ye de si na sorry na eye morning so team no enso etia beto aso na bibia kama ma menye birthday wish we Enfama menu aba ye fro eye Agu Mary ene wawoda ene your birthday o maame Adoma Kinki na fi ebusuafo nyina Amazing Grace SDA Church ena fi miankasa nyina no ye so happy birthday nurse ni ewo Yedwaso hospital nti Agu ene wawoda dide na etide nyame nhia na wakoma so ade nyina no omfa ema na enioma entimi koyin monti Agu Mary ene your birthday nyame nhia na onto nkonam.
Mamencha Mira James Kebo Dianopay, director of Jamestown Plaza, Yamana Kwaba, for United States of America. Anopay James Kebo director, Anopay, good morning, Yamana Kwaba. So Ediba Asante Achim South Draso, eti fie waba, Yamana Kwaba pa, anti yencha wife, Madam Rita ne Ojumefwa, Moye Juma Jamestown Plaza, Madam Portia, and the workers in Ubia, and so from Unisimo, and the girls in Jamestown Plaza Johnny Papa Fee and baby about car and said but sama ho told enti director no pay e ka to say ma akwaba pa de ba Asante Achim Sira James Kebodi, welcome to Asante Achim.
Okay, nti sorry na morning show team no enso ato azama wa hwenepa 95.5.
Kwacho Asante Achim Bank a wo kira me kwan de aboa me papa wo mo business loan wa me kwaje bi no me de atra me business mu say me ho kani so akwakwaje adwuma nkoso loan ni bi enne na adwuma no e koso say
ye current account, savings account, fixed deposit, susu deposit eno odwumani bia ebetumi aba beji salary advance ne bi sanso eno your floaty shares eno ti bra no be kan Asante Achim Bank abusia ne ho na piece of the dear odi himself father da eno to bi bia usika fa control and Accountants General Department biano unya garanta unya commitment fee bia simed biasa na unsa account loan
Asante Achim Bank de what shame kwama mawu to mankasa ya ma touch loan abusuapani ani da so loan ya de ma adesia ade atomani no aboa manfo se ani je samne se abusua wo amanone enso betum de omusika ni nyina afa Asante Achim Bank
ne head office na ewo twansa office konongo agogo ofoase odumase ayeduase afonkwanta Roman Hill Jaso Freyen 0501 333 444
Asante Achim Bank where money grow
kwajo
Jawa Jumaboka, enti chance carpenter ne kwato bebo dan so na yesi ayeba sei.
Ayefa na auto won chance.
Minimum po sasa nkwanche de ni bia.
Ene wa to ho agu. Ene mre mu a KK Ofori Roofing, eden chance papa aba. Ebi ti say coated aloe long span self lock, IBR standard, red caps, tiles, plywood, cement, China doors, Turkey doors, TNJ. Ene nadwa assault ahodo bebre nso aba. Afen so, yan chance ni nyina ye wo colors ahodo bebre a ye de board dinosaur a embe ma dinosaur aye fefefe.
Eh sir, KK Ofori Roofing minua mamusa we entia na epese etua ne kakra na breso yakofa no akwanya obi ohoma ya na.
Oh minua, o da no wada. Tumuda kra KK Ofori Roofing ana. Ya wan hihye ahodo bebre a ye di agu akwamama obi a ne tikesa. Ya sanso ye free estimate. Ema obi a o si dan ana so pese obo dan so. Ano de oba ya nje ohwe. Sa ope ba ko ato ana se dudu atu fa wani kire KK Ofori Roofing.
Ene carpenter fo ne adansifo e ene moto di KK Ofori Roofing wa ba amamo. Na menua ehe ne behu KK Ofori Roofing a kira kwan.
Sa o hihye KK Ofori Roofing a ya kira kwan wo kwarango ehia ye Presby asoridan no enche mu ho a. Na menua mempenta mo nko je mo number se bibi kire wa adwen so a no afre KK Ofori Roofing awo 0247 524272 ana se 0247 524273
KK Ofori Roofing na maba amadanse ayemre.
Ekuya fonfre yi jemra fonfre yi jemra sei akate nkankan anonom enumane nyadewa ene mo awomowa esey mfude ene ye nobaye etu atwane esanse New Age Agro Services covered by Akofa Cocoa Fertilizer, solid fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, natural fertilizer yedi gu yemfude ase ene de yedi spray so sawo cocoa insecticide yedi kutie cocoa mo awomowa yena to sidie bi te se moko ntos enkruma cabbage nyadoa ene ne keka ho so ye wo ho aduru a ekutia mo awomowa na mo ato na so say doso. New Age Agro Service. Ye wo share roma hudo mienu. Selective weedicide and non-selective weedicide. Ye wo de digu yemfudie so a ehyi nra ne nko. Ene ye wo de digu nra so a ehyi ase say drobe. Upe de wo boy anehye. Ana de wo boy edi na kakra ansa na hye. New Age Agro Service. No spraying machine ahudo bia bi. Esa wo ho spare parts, hand gloves, nose mask, goggles, warranty boots, raincoat, cutlass, and a watering can. Ye wo seeds and a seedlings metre. Enuaba ubetimi adua anase aduaba yedua amana fefe. Bit say cabbage, cocoa, carrot, watermelon, lettuce, anka, and onion. The niti sem krani say ye agriculture for ubad ye utiasi no beto omboasi no watch no ye bonus. The upper back wato another do a two and an intre asante achim konongo timum Jude Gardens abrosan kesianas. Of one say Market Junction opposite Presby School. Anafre 0244 896701.
Eda boache edu edition we won kire be ne ye me kwa koto ba ku bi na ye spray ye no enwu na bi ahye ebi nso anhye
na eno no ukru okoto ne hene
o mane obi no otobre no
ohu enne na make security pa kire wo we decide no edisi wura no papa pay wo mu eye King Kong be sre ku ani bia ya wo peduru asi wura se wo ko pe King Kong aduro no si wura ni bi nya bi se ye sre se ye champo wura bia na ni adi bia e be si one time me nua se wo peduru asi wura wuduru agro chemical so King Kong na wo bodin aduro ne enu hwamoda ya sohwe ya kari ya hu okono bi kaduro fufuro bi ya ho asam kire wanti obi a kinkwan ya na okoto na oto kinkwan aduro display wura so a boss want to sikamu aduro no to ano kinkwan aboa no mfoni da ho Bona Agro Company Limited ono okra kinkwan aduro de ba o man mu otua peti agro chemical store bi a enti wuduro agro chemical store bi a say aduro a wode kwasi wura nko ade a menya mistake risa kinkwan na sane ye tie bi a so benya bi se de we decide mu no akuafo nyina se kinkwan yo kinkwan de enu hwamoda.
Joshua Ben-Nun Enterprise is all about musical instruments, sorry, recording studios, spinners, obia guitar, combos, mixes, power amplifiers, speakers, keyboards, trumpets, drums, ahuja amplifier, cordless microphone, and non-microphone type BLPBA, our musical cables, jack plugs, cones, and now say speaker and animating, and now penny mo paper ni bia for when you treho, and now what be a clap spot for when you tre Joshua Ben-Nun Enterprise. Who benya musical instruments bia yewo guitar strings yewo electrical drums na mini musical instruments bia opa wonya bi wo Joshua Ben-Nun Enterprise ni mfidi ni musuede ena ye niema bonso san dafo yewo konongo sante achem ye ni MTN office no ene di nchemu hwe na Utrack Savings and Loans Bank no ye no mudi ani mo hwe obetimi afre ye wo 0267767325 or 0555065032 Joshua Ben-Nun Enterprise. specialize in all kind of musical instruments.
Ejenimo nanu ya no atiesi
akosomo mese ayetobi nana gezo ana amane matiesi yo
sure togbe nana gezo spiritual herbal center de obi a media dance action bia kwa wasori gina kenken wo fi Benin ena bepie mu ewe ya santi achim dwasoa enti yade bia hawo say ya wonsem wo so da ye bone wo de hyebi ena to ensem ntentai dua bone da wo so ennem yade te se gono syphilis
akosomo enye no nko a eba sunsum nioma so dia se woda no obi ni woda ana woton ade na ye nto sunsum bi tata wo abrabom busikasem aye basa wopeso hwehwe wo hyebre ene wo abrabom
togbe nana gezo spiritual and herbal center ewa santi achim dwaso right junction Kinky House and Chewo Fred togbe nana gezo ewa 0543 358535 and 0533 171557
Skynet satellites. Skynet satellite. Jack, so be decoder papa. Me trade decoder in freezy. Nemum ebejina so 24 hours. Ebrekwa in heat, no scratches. Amount current movies, football matches with a picture quality and affordable price. For when it trace Skynet satellite, strong combo, quality combo, start time. So per satellite in Kwa. Obenye biato. Anase OLNB. Dish, cable and connectors. Me trace satellite who pass beyond our pair. She Skynet satellite. Or flat screen. And our person place you on one Could Jumekui or repair satellites. SIA installations. Skynet Trini. Tria DSTV bills. Canal Plus bills. Go TV bills. Start time bills. It was Skynet satellite. It's a win here. Se Ubeko Kumasi se Ukotia bill. You was a tiachim. Konongo. Marsin Crank Quantum Poiso. Ni Ghana commercial bag in edition. And now the Bay Electrical Shop at Bro Sign is free. 0244 44 54 02 Skynet. Move to digital now. For free.
This one for me. Hey, nkwada munya mo ofa na mehwe se de ne hotie. Wa wo se wo kɔ jogi no. Na ne hoto ne da ban ya wo no wo se wo kɔ tenetene na pomu. Agya se bonsu de wo nwene no. Ah, nipa ne ne di no mpo na eba. Bomo na wo ba da ban ya wato me heme. Me bedru anadwo yi a o, eni se me firi mpa so a me se me behwe se de hotie. Oh, se de nyame adum adotafo no na daroma. Me ho atome. Na nka me ya da de pomato wo se me kɔ tenetene mpo. Na he dokota na akɔye. De da no ba ya na kɔ fie ka wasem. Providence Healthcare. Bomo jayo. Eni omo ya ade o. Me ka me yadimi du wa no sase edi mfidie sisi me so na doctor no obemiamiamia na fe wo sase ma me nuro ene se masori agine yo wo mfidie ahodo ya wo de hwehwe nipadua ni ehunu yade no ema ho aduro na me ama ye twon o mbetumi ama me so ate bomo wo de anyi akyinyi
bogoso obo Providence Healthcare wo Asan Krom de le chairman akwabo a abosane mu a ye ne kobofita fo no na edi enhwene mu Kumase ye wo Asanwase ye ne Roman Catholic Church na edi enhwene mu goso ye wo Manhia Main Street ye ne Big Tom Electricals ena ewo edan kromu
Nkoko Adwaji opposite Graceland
Tachima ye wa hembro no so ye ne Calvary Baptist Church no na edi enhwene mu Konongo so ye wa Gogo Station ye ne Ghana Commercial Bank na edi enhwene mu Doma ena hinkro obo Providence Healthcare ewo chenchenche ye ne Agape Asoredan no ena edi enhwene mu Dunkwa onofe enso Providence Healthcare ewo atechem ye ben eziefo Asoredan no numbers mienu abetime doctor edi nkomo
0245 01 2791 and 0506 600 650.
Providence Healthcare ya to yare tuaka.
Your authoritative news analysis. Listen to Ahunipa Morning Show. Ahunipa FM 95.5.
Ahunipa FM 95.5. Ahunipa FM 95.5.
Your authoritative news analysis. Listen to Ahunipa Morning Show. Ahunipa FM 95.5.
Don't
Okay, right there, Bayan Sai, Ebo Kobi Bobo Pai. The original Abuajewa. The man is a boy. As a man is a boy. Original Abuajewa. I say, eh, no, the Yana, a pimping for you. Wouldn't be Yafu. I mean, to add an answer, show them. Yafu. I say, Grofa, yeah. I was in the more permission, say, a young no cry, me dear shoe. I had an need your hope. Okay. I had an need your hope.
Oh, say, I let them know. Oh, yeah, Blanty, I want to damp a baounia, and you will be catch your sepe.
Cope,
and no, I want to wonder that.
Yeah,
I call crazy lumbano. You be back as a penanium. We are Blanty, no new pempe, so be our own pet. But you baby, say, Cupulumbanium, will be in two, will be in two, I let them the American so you will never catch your second cope.
And then no credit.
Let me perfume him while I blame.
Yeah. Where come on? Oh, come on. I let them do
Zoom.
Sure.
I would tear to some what tear jum. Yeah. Now quite a Benada as a Yenin Brentiama.
Oh, yeah. Can make it to the mamma.
I said, Diana.
Say, no one may bar, make the mamma.
Okay. Nah, yeah, yeah. Maybe as why you come up. I shall not pay the men found a workrat and over son. Back whom you know, and to us come up, Anna. Young coin him. Now, I say, I've been marking good board one crop, ya. I want some asking to me fear any year my own who. When he said, I've been marking, I don't come on banner, then I call your sister station back. No, so no, say good bonus and care perform me. Or my gun open ye. Yeah, and one saying can na good board na scandal I cost or pa. Na me I need my dachibino. ABN some banner be politics. But now the air can and correct.
There is a gun and Ankas and his own say day.
Good board what
because good board the moi na masa be catcher and say hear me people for me. Moi na masa be catcher and say stories mono and I'm not man pay. Stories in the womb be make a can or say Ghana's gold output projected to hit 6.7 million ounces in 2026.
We are projected.
Chamber of Mines. And no honum. And about say Ghana rises to sixth among world's largest gold producers, overtakes US.
Ghana.
And gold once a year. Tell you, Ghana rises to sixth among world's largest gold producers. I will overtake US crowd. As a major fiber until gold will name
Ghana overtake US.
I'm telling you, and a story about no. Some major fiber gold in the minority so bad, almost a cow. IMF and so back catch as a cow.
The IMF never
the issue they say the same IMF can be maybe a chum. So don't kuma ya catch as IMF bois. And then I make us a politicians no person say then a because Bibia number the politics a be an emo can no cre say gold board or car abba. But now the way I must see money you engine
you to your union sister station please have no cars as me
me sa my resa video no Emma yen papa yem bra kwame sifa kan man ya we say na nya gold board ya so na say omo pay for me and say yen dey Ghana say dey na yen say ya what the sa story mama ready ni yema Ghana rises to thief you know mama nko date me pe date
okay
na ya ba
o hwe na yen ko yen ma ya say ayi akuafo nka bamukuo we kwa da mabu na bom ana womo ika ho bo mu no me se aban wo ya chimi filter duku no ka se ya akuafo ntente blofo to mo nyina kom ho bo mu no ya adwe baako na baako twen pen DCB paso ana so no ko school akra we san 7 blofo te to be twere bi no twere blofo tenten de kwa nya ka so me kuma minister krobia omo ma pipa ne so a ne o mampani table so bam omo nsam nya se kokko kon omo se enanu adabi etwawu fofo mati ko mobelo manum ne nya ne se ebre duye se kokko ye ba bebi apratum na price e ba ne akoto sisi ehwi emeduru aban na ntima ne ho hwe na we omo se yanche ye ba bebie omu bisa ban no ede no aye de afa ho ye san ba bete so anai se san ba betum aban ne mo mu wedi o mampani nu an kasaka kum empani force gine kokko nu we de mo gina ban num into mampani nu amamu mu aye no ho asem krata ede ba na ebetu odwa se yese fuel tankers ya ewo Ghana so mbekọ strike na Ashanti region de yeso mo yom ho afirim senya do mbekọ ombe ya adwuma no me sika agwombotom eno asem da ha na MPP titire ne ye ne foforo ewo enka pompre mantem ano akase
ma me first story ne nwremu wie me wi na mama to aso was the Ghana rises to seize among world's largest gold producers overtakes US. Ghana ranked 6th among the world's largest gold producing countries in 2025, producing 185 tons of gold, the Ghana Chamber of Mines has disclosed. The ranking represents an improvement from Ghana's traditional 7th position, with the country overtaking the United States following an increase in domestic production and a decline in U.S. output. Director of Analysis, Research and Finance at the Chamber, Christopher Nyako, disclosed these in an interview with Bernard Avre on Channel 1 TV's The Point of View on Monday, August 17. We are number 6. We are number 6 now, right after Peru. So globally, China, Russia, Australia, Canada, Peru, then Ghana comes in, and then the United States follow, he said. Mr. Nyako explained that Ghana had traditionally ranked 7th globally but moved ahead of the United States in 2025 after production in the U.S. declined. Last year, 2025, Ghana overtook the U.S., but traditionally we have always been number 7, Mr. Nyako said. He attributed the decline in the U.S. production partly to technical challenges in Nevada, one of the country's major gold producing areas. You know something? We are near also can't say Ghana a boy home. But IMF and so Ghana wanting say Ghana gold board so aboka
na
enya kaketwa and this answer me we don't ever
say no no chamber of what's what chamber of the good another mines chamber of mines e Ghana ha na work say and I say aboy home ya produce gold more obviously gold don't dey produce
na because galam say nem kroma bebe enye producer be produce more
na ka say gold na bon homo na enye production
me ba crop ya me ba ya produce more e che say ko but we dey say ya boka meaning say ebe ko ne musika wo say ba nya de be ema wo de be ko basika wo say ba nya de be ema ento bi edwuma de bia
wo boka na enko ya rank no nko wonim sa wo boka sɛ woyɛ adeɛ na ade ne nko yi a how sɛ rank no bɛkɔ wɔ nim
nti bansa na ayɛ mɛbɛka kyerɛ sɛ yɛbɔka
ɛne na meka sɛ ɛmɛfa bɛka saa nsɛm no ɛna sɛ sɛ ɔmo nso ɔmo yɛ adwuma nso sɛ akɔ anim globally ɛdi hwan deɛ na yɛmfa
de mɛfa ayɛ mɛdeɛ na mɔhwɛ so na akamegya ɔmo hwɛ so nyɛ adwuma
ɛnti sɛ ɛyɛ ka na ɔmo abɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo ba abɔntemi ehunu ka na ɔmo abɔ no because sɛ wontumi mɛtɔ gold kuruma na ɔnkɔbɔ ho ka ɛne deɛ ɛyɛ nsɔ ɔmo so yes sɛ ɛyɛ ne papa mu nso na ɛkɔ deɛ a ɔmo so bɔ deɛ a yɛmɔ na because IMF maybe forgotten man gold no can almost so mabono as you speak what him say join if the writer be ba say Abena Sari ni interview so what sa story ne da na o ka say gold board o maboka sikatwitwi de bi no ntro no kro bi anim wa hu no sa writers no enti eden communication na donkuma no de bre say unim say aban na boka e wo so nya facts ye ema ye no mo ye sua mo because eba economics a wo Abena Sari wo ye good champion ametie
o ya de
enti se donkuma na boka na ye nokura mo ma ye hunu facts and figures ni ye mo nya the partisan same jamfi se be on so nche obi a or critics so many and instances we bring the same jamfi criticize the then government na dan kokufado it is same jamfi o mo so o ya de ye nka but mo nya facts ni ye when him say join news this I didn't buy bontin I've been outside the mob on Tim can review that means so admit it a figures no the bar bontin wasn't the right figure and it's a him say who be some afa Ghana we former deputy of finance former deputy minister of finance and until unim the awoka and until unya time now na amanfo edi nkomo I also nya fast and figures ni sami jamfia aboka e gold board wa yetimi ka e Ghana na ekukuru ndi nasi wo mama yenye ne partisan politics yamma ni pa hunu na kure wum ena wesi ye mo ka yenya ade ena wesi aboka kana ya gbono so na figure no so akwasesa eti de why na yemfa
ena hanko tina hanko
what is it sami jamfi nkomo bebere no wadi no kroma eti sami jamfi ya ne menya obi ansoro sami jamfi kroma ye beka no kra kire no eti mo a mo se mo ye hwiemu na mo pa figures na ba no mo figures no so nye enye concrete na sabi ubo otirim ka bia na akire ye ko ye hwiemu ba be ka se nye sa that means this nkomo na wo kan nyina no enye no kore enti me na me person mo tia say the reason why gold we mean tanka ho asem kese ne say research bia me ya fa ho bia na kwe political obi a won yo kan iba because so many instances
who say the MPP for can the for can na me be the tone chain ma ko fa am de no because omo na ye antamginafo say Ghana isika sem ko ya IMF na de ba isika sem enko ya IMF de ba bibia ko ye bi ha IMF de ba sisi akura na ye besi aye kwajo won kura kwa wiye no ba enso mo de yen say omunya ye nkura omo ni da so ye de ba edi achi bibia economy ne ko nyina omo ni da so edi achi entimedia IMF de ba no e na me megitum me the politicians na ye ne yekuru ma no de we kan we ya we the figures beba aba ka bi di atro say e si na tie wo chena we su beba be discriminate e the figures aba we the task e na me bi kokoku ni bi kan no was he mum ye no nyina nyimu ni dia bi before kan bo me cheche me kama mo sam task mu kama NDC for bo so be cheche mo sam so task mu kama they say mum ye no nyina ye nyimu ni entime dia ogira mfimfin no a aye IMF no e de na me ditum se e kaba nto mo hwe hunu se e kaba omunye politics ni mfrim ne dem kuma hwe hunu se e kaba omunye adwuma wo yi
menya modern Ghana mo fast check bi uko modern Ghana or say fact check did gold ball lose 1.7 billion US dollars the truth behind the headlines no mo so kra mo so mo be nya evidence ni na okay yenkumwe or say no evidence does not support or say no the evidence does not support claims that gold board lost 1.7 billion US dollars Rather, these figures represent an unreconciled macro accounting discrepancy within a central bank gold program, labeling a complex international accounting difference as a physical cash loss at the state entity creates severe public misinformation. Modern Ghana, this educational broadcast breaks down the technical details, provides clear structural insights, and outlines practical recommendations to put this national debate to rest. The core issue, discrepancy versus distraction. It had a pure economics power. Now, over down, or structural breakdown of the Gold Board Reserves Program. We need some minyada pa na ene mi pon or china minimum be share di san kumo wi ese minyada because a pure economist na we breaking na down 5 key realities every Ghanaian must know eti ebesua sa na mawi na ebedu ba bi ebeja omon komo no mudi no yen na ebetima amanfo hunu se the university IMF koga IMF mamenti IMF komo mudi figure ben IMF so kai ene dia bana sare e kai no na fe ye hwemra de bon krata no so na yen ko na dwuma de no so na time no sopa do Tuesday na ne be ho so no na time no ko because
omode ne e 214 million US dollars
and Abanasar was 1.7 billion. So why IMF 200 and something million? 214 Abanasar is 1.7 billion
US dollars.
Billion US dollars. And the Abanasar figure and as say join us abekase enye no kore.
But can do omabo.
Can do omabo. And then American no pay say can the ebeba so omabo ampa. But add na ye facts and your figures no correct. Because I'm over 1.7 billion any 200 something enye hizo gab no so
say 1.7 any dey express road
200 and something million US dollars 240 calculate 240
million US dollars and we billion
1.
billion
times barely oh enti abana sa nya figure no way
times 21
abana sa nya figure no way I didn't make up partisans. Say Ghana had young politicians, no. Say Omo nyai party B, party C, no. E bas obi this kakra. Young hunu. Asa mi boko this kan ye lose so homo. Ya bok katuturi die. Na even 200 and something million Ghana US dollars is kaketwa. Even a million Ghana cedis grand case kaketwa. 200 and something million Ghana cedis case kaketwa na dollars. Na dollars na chinu. Na moba be kan different figure. Na fa man this for no na abeze enye no kre. Esuna asika bi akoso.
Omo sheda
omo ina ka hu
omo ina sheda
enti wu na wo ba na wo opposition na wo ba ma ye hu no kure wo mu no o ko two different figures
sebe ya bibiri ya ni so
na emiri ya ni so kan do mabo emiri ya ni so ye na IMF ne be ya adwen because IMF no anya Ghana ha no moti what I say enti yes enti omo de kan be je di enti abana sare de ne mfanto 1.7 billion ne de ko so ni nyina so bi ya
214
million US dollars.
Eka.
Enti sameje mfi mra bonti meya no. Se nye no kura de omra bonti. So I can several times na afenyo marking na IMF boa. But also so IMF sameje mfi some years ago who you saw almost figures.
Edi adwuma.
Me de IMF nya adwuma.
Me ko wa from ashe bi je won ko e. Ama fra won ko e. Na kura bi yi. Okoboy. So ni ato abama na
chairman no Greater Accra
mo no say se ato abama ma be chairman wa Greater Accra for MPP a adwuma da so no enye adwuma ketwa o so adesoa pa and they say ne na no first na oda 3 hours e so be chem 1.5 dia ka nyina ya adwuma
o menwe hu
ya ba ye
omba mura na ombe kan
oh o ba dia som
amufa before that I mean announcement in Twemre enura nwumre beye no soko no wotwe ho Yohana madam ne din Catherine Dakwa ode announcement ye ba hanom na ofri eye konongo ana ote konongo Lady Dina Abraham Junction ho ana obutu na ose eye ababa wa ne din Salina Adai one ne todi mfinsha na be du miensa okosko yakwe na tum so ko OGHS one or so na be 2:30 PM ena one nkura wo fia na ye hwe ya ne se according to nkura no we ne ntade mienu miense me fa bag be bonachi according to no mo kan no ba ma me ne de nyise anema ntum no wa report ma police dey about say ya hwehwe no wo pie free 230 no ma hwehwe na omunhunu enti wo dey abedan aposifo nso ama all the letter na se krata bi abre yen enti ye besere se oti yenka na wo ho baba wa wo di mfinhia ne beye dumiensa oyi nipa tuntum ne ho ne mu ya edu kakra ne ho ya soso kakra le putu dawe ya enti se wo baba wa bi sa ewo area ye besere na wa frɛ number we na mpanimfo ensa tumaka abofra no 024 368 2957 024 368 2957 na one mpanimfo atuma twetwe nkomo na enam so no omu ho abofo no mbeda wasepa ombeda wasepa papa etina ne wo hono no tie besere se woni atwa baba obi sa so a ebesere wadaroma na because my men ni ase hanjo emra kwa menjini so tumi dai ndi se we abrantie bi nso na wakofa na dina kwhye odam a eye waye bi eye why jana no nkufie ebesere why na ne ma men na busa fo hwehwe no edem fa ye nto aso no pe
aha ma me fa Patriot Place nto aso na krata yi bo mane wo de abronyemfo ni ato na we political analysis ono a bono regional chairman NPP na no kasa no chese wo se abronye wo sesa ni leadership star no ni communications star no se wa sesa na enye also sesa na ma MPP ye attractive e wo bono na sirosi kasa ni leadership star no se bi ama MPP no enya kono wo bono man temtin ho asem political analyst bi na e kan e wa hanom a krata e ba mane na Emiracle Saboaje yeso apeke form so kwa contense communication director position no MPP amino ko no national ai enti ni phone eda
na asem na yede awie
oh so ye nwie kro wet man position wet man contest
na ye ko ye buntumi de ni bia no endai
oh there dey Miracle dey wonkom ayo on dey ni nweni ato awie na enu na koka so kase na koka chese ye ba no edwumade ne ye be ye o tumu nyina momoden ye nyina ke mom na nya edwumaden na MY Magana ntimi enkure no akrata yi ebo eho amane e wa ha na Ghana mampani akasa o chese ebrom be fa abanwa yi na galamse na koso enkrof abandada no koye no udi galamse ya sensase a na no no ba yi ohwehunu se da bi o so hwenu si ano enu nti o power ememama ya mbetimi
ememama nevo water brew gas water brew water gas for omo na emi ma no
alomo ye ma samani
jai ka hunu kwa jai ava so bi eni so
wase
na soja fo kurekura tu enu kura omo atwa fo mo so tu galamse wosema koyi nkrofo enu omo tifie ye kofa poliba mo kurekura ene tai na ere tai na poliba ko pam galamse fo aya mote Ghana ndisi fo na mento mase o be kan se we kura be shima bufu no pai mento mase blue water gas no sebe fa so be na wo so yes na do ba ye wa ko ye soja fo ne ade ene kura twa fo mo so etu galamse no ono ba ye nine months no omungura tu
operation hot
omungura tu
operation
vanguard na ade nyina ba omukura na according to kura no report e ba ne say ebukam eno kura ye ho ya nte ho asem papa bia na wabasisi a
na mo so bon ko bia hu na
adwuma nine months de mejom tu na make say nine months no kura no boys ni twi form so nine months for ba ye stay na galamse no abrase to which extent
oh
na ko fan crofo mo ba adwuma wa training boys buru water guards say omo na be my information
say ya mama bu na adwuma
e maburu ba adwuma job for the boys e fa so be na wo so de mo adwuma sabi ye betuma ka ho asabi na buru water guards wa ko ma mo tire catapult eni apoliba na no okura to okura twa fa so na poliba de ode yede amofa kwa asem fro so kra and this for no de me du ba ja no ka jo no ka na me de na hono jo ndo mani mahama asem a wokan ode ngbo no mo share 2024 asem me no mo kama kire yi almost so mo ba within 4 months o metu galamse na se ayesa na mo ka kire and this for ba galamse no muntu ye onkro bebre kwa ne ntu galamsey den time dwaso ye se ye ba ha den time kromo momo ntu ene area ye nti se dwaso galamsey na nkomu tu bua omutu mpanya omutu ai he for pension mutu he for pension ene bi why na teso
Muhammad so metu
ja
ene Muhammad so metu
enti ono na so wo ko tie galamsey na ko for buru water gas kwa
se ko for ajiska na omo ko so bongo tu Muhammad bi
o
te se ko for bi ajiska
tin ko mana menu te se oba asante achim safa se de ma me safa so no ompene mo muntu galamsey sa bi na so di show bi amu tin ko mo ni ye wamsi fo no bi no ho no mo ameka se o anya na wo se akobi abo obi dua na
MC na bo ne MP dua
fantastic
MP ni CM2 MC to MC so ni mo hwe no bo MP dua
and the sa ne ma ne koso a ye wonu kwan be fa so betu sa de na se ye ni ha na MCB NDC penfo NDC fo ba ye o ko se was Western Regional say as not to be corrected say as a Western and as a Western of fo ba bi MCB as a chamfine machines or chiwa no waje say stars so dey no amade ko or gigi say sika no enya NDC for penso ho asema kusi
no kwara thank you too no suppose me fa ho dey ai dey
ho asema kusi
obeka boss me fa ho dey na the fans embo
ne oye oni Ghana Hausa nyo no enti sansa
no
sansa no ena me pese yin tia se NDC for be so mutu galamsey na se a omo soro waka enya buru water gas ene de omo pam ga na buru water gas ne yo mo anka ba krom ha ebi ti se la popo mu kroma the indigenous of kroma for boys no mo kroma no ene ya for ma ko treni omo se omo moa na tie komo na se yo omo ko se 6 months se 3 months training
job for the boys
ene omo ko omo ntade buruburu bi a hye ne ato mo buru water gas ene ya catapult bi a hye omo nsem tai ene apoli ba omo nkura tu ene nto omo dwuma omo die ni se so obi ba ye kan say forest also obetu a omo no nchi o omo mo ba amane na wei me la popo ti kroma yi o ye kroma ni na me ye kroma ni na me tu ade a la popo be humi a oba be kan
we ye sheda ko
enti fa so be na wo
ye sheda ko trainer ko ye dwuma den yes o me ye dwuma wo se akoma ata de burubu
ja wo mufa me say hey do for the boys edi say ene kokon ketin pe me say anisi for there your policy bo na ndisi for the bar so ya we say e bo me kase me support sa market na mo kan mu bi support ba me support because yetumi si me support 24-hour market me yetumi si a me support
o me si market no mo so mo 24 hour ni free so
oh na say the crocodile John 24 hours
na mo yifi so am support
na mo jazu problem ma no nkrokro mada na 24 hour ma na ekoto
kako mo ni 24 hour ni free so
kako na adwo na obi koko
enem no mo ya
o de kako ni mo no ye de na ene mo kan
na kako ni mo ni kura kro bia se woti afichira harma nipa miensa ko to kako ni mo ne wa ha ntimi nsore nko ho
ena me ka se sa 24-hour market ne de me market mani je ho ba sa hour na da so ne de ma fa ba bi da to be ende hia anti blue water gas one de yenye o masam to be na de omba what say blue water gas o machi obi what bi da nye na imu so na de
report ma na mo na no ma report na mo be da kwachi
na graphic ben na nsa na se paper ben na wo hunu se o mo soro kra bam da
oh some na mo report nti mo report ya no de kwa kan we nti wo se na mo sa kwachi obi bi ya na se blue water gas for na ye djuma no
galamsey ya na ebi onu na ebo ne maame akohoma onu na ohefie krohefie bro ataga wakatwa yesei na okohu se onu ebi tu galamsey ya oba beteto ma o maame fie na osino yesi you see sometimes enti ne mabiase ne wo koyi ni so nye bro water guard na onu okotena dwaso hye no so wo se obi kotu a onu ne maame yina na tifie ntini nua na otu galamsey onu na ehwefiefo na o meteto na ekini nua na mo be da ba ko mo be di tuku wo mo be enkomo ne free ba eti fa so be ani so
job for the boys
nana yiwani yenkwanim
etuom ka
yenkwanim
ekura bie yes na kopo ya adma August 20
akai 8 minutes na fe yeko ene
August 22 ana nomination na MPP America national omo fa forms nyina yedi nyina beko na we ye August 22 ye no asem eda hanmakra osimpam
okay
ya eba maniti na mimi kodwa so kakra
ba menchia la popa no pai na erade akwan anso wo junction so wo ko wo cemetery na mencha already akwan omo na mo ambulance na ma han no
okay
mencha ma me no fa me show ni agro ne ku okay la popo ma me no ma mencha na no pe na omo fa show ni agro
na me no dwa so na me ni dwa bi bi de
ye ni mienu pe na ye comportement no
na Fuza Herbal Center besia wade bambam Herbal bam na ba boboden so ma wasaka bie na aboa wo aposo yo ya asabro ene wokoye adwuma ba no abeni nyina adure beboa papa dai ahaw de afiri wo ti famia mia me fetwetwe jabes wo ya ori nyina beko body maza onsa enka bi ubowuram draso bia onsa ka lopa bi fo center so atwate se boboden ma onsa enka de New Age Agro Services Dr. Francis Ouswanane ene de odi abeka ho kwa ne se ene ade a mom ye poultry farms na boa ma kokoni didi dom no mu no ne nyina wodi bia ba ye bo papa ukwana ka chia onsa abeka bi afei enso so ope kwa ho ne nyina eno bi a ya ope no New Age Agro Services ebutum ewo kwano timbem sanso na du of so market junction oho no ma odi djuma seto motos esebeje abobo ya pragia ne nyina onsa abeka bi ana afei ho parts ahuro ni nyina original one ni nyina kwa onsa abeka ode ewo seto motos akache dwaso otu osrebo asem fitting shop ana one no edi enhwere mu KK for roofing ese adansi hu ni manyina wono akofa ede aba ifi na sase ekosi na wiye se eye nchansen eye cement eye iron rods eye plywood eye tiles bia opebia ne nyina aba na kache a onsa beka ode ewo korongo hyeyem plus bia so adan nche mo honoma ana wo ba bia nei yesi korongo mbo no honoma ana KK for roofing wo koi na so kwaje woniema nei onse eno ana kache wo se wo ma to iron rods ni cement ndi discount kase pa ewo no ma eye promotion tiko na kwaje wo de scanner salad dealers or the strong combo strong decoder hodo Canal Plus LMB dish cable and connectors ni na wo de aba ti se wo de no o satellite da say na be se be repair ma be repair the kama e de ama afei o be se be install satellite de ma wa be install the kama e de ama eni o ye jumia agent kono akrante be san ho ana okọ akwaje woniema ana afei wodi wani enso echirim ewo agogonso a amachi de ma street eho ana wa oka na mafi jumia be akwaje no 0244454029 0244454029 forever backward never human block factory sebeje corridors block raw sand blocks mix blocks hollow blocks design blocks pavement tiles marble tiles pillars no all size oba onsa abeka odi osebra na be GB tiana modern do na chirim ewo forward ever backward never human blocks akachi obogu omuni police station and dey nhwe mu omanhene ahemfie ne anamo ben friend 0558319081 and penny 4 twetwe enkomo Provident Healthcare se mo mane se free hair screening no egu so ya na kopon ya ma oba be sha se ti bomodin se do one man so de ho eba abegim na bebia aye kama 24th August to 30th ana dwumade no odi free hair screening na hyehyɛ so we no be check your pressure umuduro tenten afi liver kidney heart lungs nya be check ne kama pa ede ama wo mo do machine na ehwe ne free ede ama afi ye frɛ ulcer ebi wo my friend say H pylori ulcer be check ne kama ede ama se bi ewo ne pedua ma nti bomodin se obeba na be check wo de ye sha se 24th na ayana pa na watwe kosi anwume nenum baby a Provident Healthcare ya hye ewo no a eho ane eweba nye di mire IT esiwo no aba abenom bi tia na modern na onso wa baby St. Gabriel's Cooperative Credit Union ye abusuafo ye abusuaku aneje ewo mu wa modern aboa na osikasem agina blane ede ama oni St. Gabriel's for ento kese na osikasem nyina ebewie peye pa ede ama wo Adama West Africa enupa no ogwama so ma wonsa enkabi Daiso amazing freezer agil ni nyina boa amakuaye ho nsem agina peye edia yede boko so nyina ni nyina Adam enupa no koni HY ebi oho Great Divine Ministry Reverend Fred Kwabina kopon ya ademo chena mpabo be koso ntia na bomoden na ne papa edi nkita ho ni wakọ na nkonua ni nyina apapa edi ama hye so se enne oba be preachi e wa hantia na watie no enwumre wabra Papa Rich atrasie no Juma Herbal Center usisi ene yo ya sasabro malaria ulcer severe back pain nyina otu ase kama ede ama bura daso bia bewe na onsa nka Juma Herbal Center enipa no ebi Bon Agro Company Limited or the King Kong or the Captain or the Langard or the Ujaba or the nyina ba ya bebo papa na ukua ya wonsam no ahyiwura nyina ade ama wo B&B Corner Limited wɔde PVC pipes ɛde aba, water closet wɔde aba, wall tap wɔde aba, showers wɔde aba, seat covers wɔde aba, security doors, office chairs, roofing sheet, tiles, polytans ahodoɔ nyinaa, diapers nyinaa. Oko B&B Kona Limited a onsa ebeka bi dwa so ya no wo enkane ahemfie no ana one no edi enhwele mo oban Asante Achim Community Bank na onso akwaje onyama 0244604716 Menya Herbal Center ana ode Menya Herbal Capsules ede aba ba cho do pay wa koko egugu o ya na honam nyayo ya premature ejaculation, stroke, bema wo uweni yade menstrual problem, stomach ulcer, wodra any Menya Herbal Capsules ebebo papa ya edupai ubowrem e wo brasot ahodo no a wonsa ebeka bi na boa wo tinso kopa bi na nonom na emo papa Kubase new site Kumasi Accra Road ehɔ ne wa yedi enjumenti anu abawate na bibia aye kama edi ama be Herbal Center so hona mayo ya nkan wo musisi yo ya aboate afro pompo bia bow Accra sota kana wodra any bright ointment be Herbal Capsules or the aba upese enemu eyade bi ewo so na pese efru so a wodru eni pese me mayesem ene enemu nsem ewie pe de bawa wodra eni bi Herbal Capsules nunum bi na emwo na bibia emie pe kama pa enso so emfa ema Jespon Hardwares and rental services as by cement, China doors, by the glass out one at Wahamana, about Sabeka mattress, ambulance, and so on. Ma what the Emma Hine, Tiano Aba, now Waba Jet would ye, and Sanabedu, Burkina Junction, ya quick quantum ponosono, and a why you dear Juma, Tiano Aba, Jespon Hardwares and rental services, now Swaba Abajet Wakadie. Resada Specialist International Hospital akache in hedu yakwakose ho yade wo stroke wo heart failure wo kidney disease liver failure hypertension diabetes ni na yitu ase edema etwo pa na wo twebelem obi etwe na efu akama edema fibroid obehwe kwa ayi edema wo afi wo ni yade wachidompe ana ho nsam ne hawo wo aso yade wo esen ho yade ni nyina ehwe ne kama pa edema wako police station se kwana kwaje doctors report braba emema bi edi akọ anasa opebi na we to kwan opebi akọ akọ ye adwuma nyina ba emema bi ama we akọ akodi odwuma na bibia we peye bo ya cha kwan kwano ehia yem ye ne MTT office no and the no primary school no enchim honoma ana Rasada International Specialist Hospital
wa
yedi ye adwuma
enti ma ye na homra na yeni nkomo no pai ya da ho abasosia
Ghana no Adamba Oko enura me so da na Ghana yesa buchire no Shaka ene na Ghana na ohu ye no ene ama miansa na Ghana fo gidie Eyeja oba so kron na sanye man so pesu bampone nanso suba miansa na Ghana fo de say o man eya akro pese mi kunya say nyasa suban ya oh my yeta change your attitude Ghana needs suban 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 yes suban yo mudia anya crowd suban yes suban boni dia anya crowd suban yes suban yo mudia anya crowd suban yes suban boni dia anya crowd suban your food your pan and piano now so Ghana ni ban show assign yeni madipa and see yeta papa yes super yo man penny ne press suban boni na science anya yo suban pita mo be ya aswafo ne press suban boni mo na science anya yo suban say yes me layo kofa before the papa na say pray suban boni anya yo suban America betina na say ya kwatra America yes suban boni nti ohobe say so better change your attitude Ghana needs suban change your attitude Ghana needs suban change your attitude Ghana needs suban change your attitude
Okay, right, change your attitude to Ghana. This is how Subai. Yes, Subai. And Suban Bonnie and yet, Ghana betuma tumpong. Yes, Subai. Ghana betuma konanim, betuma fanentima perfra. Yeah, make catch your Krobia Sante. Many who would tear me, betuma cambo, betuma bomba, your mind cronk, Ghana to tumpong. Right on our Hine Part 95.1 FM. And some mammy said, baby, you're dream. I won't pat a mujumadi and you do so. What kind to say, Suku to say, Ususam at to say, are pay any partisan politics in Tunja. They didn't come on pay. I said, no, some say, the man is a boy seated, the general, Andy G. Bracofi, veterans on a pay. The woman king in Yamika, Water. But you didn't come off. That young fowl won't so be able to Nanya Ufom Wemra. Not yet to mean to us on a pay. As a matter of somebody upon what your home. Arbation of Swam is a free non concourse. And the assembly, the environmental health department, bidding command of pay. And what you ever call a year. Dadia so, not yet Dadia so, assembly member at France was studios. That didn't come off. Dadia so, more how they say, then echo so Dadia so. Jenny Antenna. Message you see now for 0596900046. Bidding command of pay. I've been number 5 BBR sign your book.
Radiadum, BBR.
Maybe I don't know. Now, Unim said last week, you know, ye didn't come na junction honum. Na ya to ball a biegu binkunso ho.
Okay.
Na mea ye point me ko honum, me bo nan ko hwe. Na me ya do my drip coordinator no wa ko ye ina fro honum. Enti oko junction honum me no ka said ye bibia sa nya den. Eni ho. Enti ye babo drip coordinator na ba so say otu sana mo no. Ene minim say dodo na ye be for sanitation ho no. Embra sanitation director na office and beba no you be dem komo no bebre honma no pay na lights out no I don't think so omaso mebo omunya so light and stuff as you speak no ye nhye dem hunu the reason why omodum kenia no nti ama bebre kura atade on onze me da ma chefugu se de na e na ka bibi no correct sometimes no as a fugu no already made and then you final light in a doom like the one cremwa and tunya hanging no yinum sa de o kwano so we free hanga no so na okro no wo wuram and you wuram na wo wuram na ze ona wo kono na Bogu market as you speak Bogu market me yiri saman for say lies out 20 dodo na de yam ne we ni tie kakrakra mo fanche yi still na no ye tu ho na mo tu but still Bogu market wura na mo yegu ho no mo nya ntwa so ene me po me san ko ho me be se me ko wura ni bi oba be na me ho mo te ho no na mama ya che omu nti ebo omu ka omu nya wura ngu ho bi enti na me po me ko Bogu market ho na omu ye wura gu fa ko na omu ja hokọ no mama omu ache omu nti ebo na ka onye biu because marketer moto nua ne ton nam enam e ton market enye Bogu nku a o ba ga na even Kate akwa na akoto adwene ne ade dodo na ye nkata so ete once na koba nti ubo nso bi wona obeso ohye ye mefin na ade ba Kate ma nso ja honom etu ye den ya once na be den ebesi so enti se surroundings no nso nyi cleaner eya ne ha adwen kakra eti e be se market women no omo nhye sade no nso mayen na yenyi nwura mfiri ba bia ye tonu na nkofa yare anya dai amre ye enti ene ebe fa amanfo adwen kyire bebre last week ntuma mpeke course na
ai King David school
King David eno
ya so say wo
na o cemetery na
omo kire se gotabi
edawo
gotabi da ho no ma se hunu ko fugu bola
King David o ja so krodwo mo o se we ye dawo
mo side ho no na ho na se nkrofo
as a report no crab last week no wakọ he won wo de ni akọ
videos ni bi wa
okay
yeah una nkrofo gu bola se owura ba akwa wo kasa kra de se ayawra ho pasen so da ho no ma ni nyina se pia kogum na de o kan ya ho kwan se nkrofo se je won nan a se de uri de akafra no ma chechire
no mo da beto at environmental ben be kasa tini na for sanitation
obi eye yipe nso to pe na ese o je se nso nkrofo no
down so
down nkrofo no mtu yewe na bi kwa kwa no mo ja nti
enye
at times ya na yusuban ya wo mu wo Ghana ha no ya medwen ho amenti ase se baby ya wa hwa kogu bola de esi wo ye fem kogu ye wie ho de kogu ma najo ya ye ntua kapreba na de on fem kwa najo nso no ntimi nso de ntem fem kon so a no no nso apɛ baby no nso da kwa kogu ni na mboa wona ka boa no kwa na hye
ahadwe
anka boa no na hye enka no be boa sinse we de kwa kogu baby no nso ato na atwe de kɔ enti nso no twetwe kwa kogu baby ere kwata ne zuwire kwa ba ya ban we suban ye suban ye wo mbeni no
okay
Robia.
Okay. Enti mo amwo subambone sa fo no so ye mamboyfo obia opeso se nsu o sensase odi fi eba ma yare kanipa no oye oboman because man bobo ni petimu nyina afiri mo man na abo enti se opese obi nya yare a oye mamboyni such a person no e wo se twa so e dey makase sometimes e dey send the drivers ne ye no eno na make car simbi na make car driver bi se musika na mo ogino se me tu ho na mo sese make car nipa bone
ana no kore
ntana mo mbu ho no na obi ya yi na se oyi woni ma no but ne mebu ayi nyani mo manfo bio e wo se ba manfo tin ne bi ase for now because koronu betum pon koronu be kwaso a wo de sobori na bo politicians enye yi wo de bo ahemfo nko enye yi wo de bo asofo nko enye yi yan timamufuo no na amanfo no nso a ye wo koronum no so ya ka ho bi eyo man nchechiriye entini ya wodi beba na medi beba adwempa medi betu dwa no so adwempa de betu dwa no ene ye bɔ no poa wada say yesanimu a ayade pa na tuma bɔ mama no mpuntu atuma ye dan agina brane but the moment ya me dwembɔ ne na me ye ne ma bɔ no wo ye papa se den kura eye addition deduction because o ade ma tia frim ntima de ntimi nko ne mu da wo ye ne yi ana me so mai ne masɛ no enti ba sa ye ntumi nyini nko ye ne mu da but the moment ya ye yin e be kan bom na yede papa adwempa akono so apagya man no man timi tumpon
beko yi
ada se but ya mfasa su na nya adwuma na ekwe se ekro be ya chechire na wu sane a man ne beko yi enko yi da enti ye besere dodo na se for now kwanya ebi mo faso mo toto niema no emo amama ne timi tumpon se man ne betuma tumpon yi na eka ho
ebi ne bola ya na go dwaso jansen ya yesan ball ka drip coordinator ko tu ye se no ho an di kogu ho eno hwan
mo amo na
wo but ye wie pe ne ekoba pe ne ye faafo a ekrobia ebe hebole bi egu a MC no hwan na wotu ma na akon ho ntini ukuko kakra wanom na asa de be kwan
na gogo no so de wo kasa na asan
wo kasa ya na asa wo bia ho makura asa bia wo be kokora kwan so bi kura fa ka
onfa kakra school support a ene ye ni san komuni yipa ya se dum light ente mbema listenership na se be ko from kakra e ba ye sere mo amote yen kan no de bia mo ba na ma report na we wa ha o kai se na se me tu ka ko ka no se e ka susu fu e beto e se bia mo pese ye bia because that area was stop na so frame
no correct
but mo kwan so na enya ye ba ha ye ka be se no enti mo support ke to bia nso o support na enya bi e de ka ho a ene be ma adwuma na tuma den akoso ba mo de mo mpesa mo be support
da bia na ka mo de mo di problem na ba wo de ba so we se wo ba wa ankope ye frɛ mo mo amba but ye fa me kɔ no ye nkɔ ni nyina ye bi
na se wonso ni nipa
esika
na bibia esika etu uka se nipa ni mpushi na sika ni no a opushi a enye yie enti ye be sere adaroma se wo se ye nyina ye hunu se ye boa ma de na den akɔ animu na de betima akɔ animu nso a wo se nyina de ho ye den agimu bi na bibia etumi ye kama na eboa enti na ne tie no be da be fa course no mo kakra na ya ma manfo nso de omo adwenkyere last week no bre na ma ye kwan ama ye ntima manfo mo enti ne e be fa course no mo na ye tumi etu ho na mo akɔhwe emo so kwan na sat na ye se ye mo but omo amodi kan akɔbɔ no mo ya de ye be da mase for now se mutu tu sana mo kaka na o madona enti e be sere kronufo no so omo so mfo mo ho ngimu bi na ye dini na twen se assembly no meye ho adwuma do o mbeba ba ye de ba be che na de oyini no nso aba wi enti
e mo se kwanda me fast me bo ma ba so because na o mo adona da kaka no madu kum
ɛne ma yɛnkɔ ahoma no so kakra mra ma yɛnkɔ ahoma no so ɛdabusia yɛnkɔ ahoma no so nyɛ hwɛ sɛ ɛne deɛ Elisa Trinity uba kakra na mutimeti yɛnka no bia wɔ haw ne ayi fo pɛ kyerɛkyerɛfoɔ so kɔ ɔmo yɛ adwaeɛ hu asɛ consecutively ɛkɔ bɛ 2-3 times ɛna ɔmo afrɛ yɛn fo sɛ ɔmo issues bi but ɛnɛ mmerɛ ba ma mɛkɔ ha kɔhwɛ ɛnka me baa na nka yɛbɛkɔ hɔ no na kaa no nso kɔgye ne ho no mesɛ wɔ afrɛ no fa kyɛn wobɛtumi asan afrɛ 0249023166 and 0596900046 wobɛtumi abɔ deɛ wram na ɔnso wowɔ haw bi a ɛnɛ time no so kakra about wobɔ wram a ɛbɛfa wo na yɛahwɛ ɔnso haw kakra na yɛto ho anamɔ last week mo fa nkyɛ yɛntumi amma ma ɔmfrɛ ma yɛangye reports no but this week deɛ ɛbɛsɛ yɛ nanka mode reports no ba na yɛtum to ho anamɔ ɛtumi ɛde ɛma mo na yɛhwɛ areas ahodoɔ a problems no wɔ problem no bi hɔ no mu a maka yɛto ho anamɔ but yɛnyanya no poma sibra ɛno nkyɛ sɛ yɛyi yɛni yɛnyi yɛni koraa nti mo ntaa mu twuku